Our next step for making homemade bruschetta is to take gorgeous vine-ripened tomatoes. Now, I like to use Roma tomatoes because, well, they're Italian, but they're also very pulpy and delicious. They have a lot of flavor. Now, I like to buy my tomatoes a little bit early before I throw a party. That way they give them a chance to ripen. It's best to keep your tomatoes out in the fresh air rather than in the refrigerator because that really cuts down the ripening time. So try to keep them in the air. Don't buy them too soon. Don't buy them too late. Perfect, just like this. Okay, our next step, we're going to take a nice sharp knife. We're going to lop off the stem. You can hold that aside. You can use this later if you want or not. And I like to take it and hold it down on the flat side so it doesn't roll around. And I cut it in half. And then again to make quarters, we're going to do a little technique called tomato petals. What I do is I'm going to remove the pulp by just holding on to one end of the tomato and getting rid of all this yummy, beautiful pulp. Now, it's beautiful, but it's not going to work on our bruschetta, so I'm going to reserve it. You can add it to a sauce later or whatnot. Okay, so I'll do that to all these beautiful tomatoes. It comes off really quickly. Isn't that beautiful? Very fast, too. If you make salads at home or whatnot and you just want a really pretty presentation, tomato petals are fantastic and very easy. All right? Now, if a few of the seeds hang on to it, I'm not so worried about that. That just gives a little more flavor and makes it look homemade, which we love. All right, we're going to do that little trick again of stacking our beautiful tomato petals, and we're going to cut them right in the center to make uniform cuts. Because when you make bruschetta, you want it to just look gorgeous. All right, so I've got all the tomatoes here. I'm going to just make nice, beautiful cuts, big and chunky, delicious and ripe, and you want them to look more or less the same. I'm going to take the knife and I'm just going to make them a tiny bit smaller because I don't want people to wear the tomato bruschetta. I want them to enjoy it. Okay, there we go. We're going to add them to this bowl for our next step.